Good morning. Where are we?
Here.
Changra.
My name is Tokpa Korlo, and I invite you to join me in exploring the world. Photography isn't just a pastime. It's a way to rediscover yourself. It's a journey inwards as much as it is outwards. Travel is so much more than getting to your destination. It's the bumps and dips along the way that shape your experience. A photo tour isn't just a trip, it's an adventure for your body and your mind. And having an experienced guide is paramount.
Thank you very much.
On our adventure, I will share with you all that I know. We spend our days shooting in incredible places, with me by your side the whole time. To help you along the way, I also give daily group workshops and editing classes to get you in tune with your equipment, so that you may break free of the confines of technique and let your creativity soar. The camera is the window to the soul, and with it we can learn to discover who we really are, pushing ourselves to the limits, and in the process we redefine what it is to be a photographer. Come travel with me and explore all that these incredible places have to offer. I promise you, it will be a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Your next adventure is waiting.